Just making this video. I've never made a video about ATVs, but I've loved ATVs and been into ATV racing mostly when I was younger. I'm 47 now, and I just began to race again this season in the District 6 Harescramble races. Basically, I just wanted to kind of just share the experience in a way. Maybe talk about the setup on the quad. I mean, this is a Raptor 700, and it's a 2017. The motor is completely stock. It has just that AIS sensor, I think it's called. I'm not too good with this stuff, so I'm definitely not the guy. Go to like Cuervo Racing and stuff like that. Like if you want to learn, like how to build these things and stuff, because I'm definitely not the guy for that. I'm just kind of sharing just the experience. I like to see more people out there racing, and especially at my age, I'm 47. Like I said, I used to race motocross when the two strokes were in production. I raced some supercross and basically just that type of stuff. And then I kind of screwed my whole life up and did drugs and everything. And just made some bad decisions. And with that, I wasn't able to race. And, at 47 years old, I decided that, I had seen some videos on YouTube. I believe his name is Rick, and the channel is Team 2 Gils. And then there's ononewheel, John. I was seeing these guys that were, in their 40s. And still being able to enjoy racing and all of that. And, at 47, I just wasn't ready to just kind of lay down and wait to die and, like make excuses about my back. I had back surgery. I had a million different. I was on fucking drugs for methadone for 20, everything that could go wrong with you. Believe me, I get it. Like, I understand that shit goes wrong with you. And some people just can't. I get it, they can't. But a lot of people just make excuses. And I don't know. I was just hoping. I was inspired by watching the videos of some of these guys racing, and figured that I would just kind of share a little bit of my own experience with it. And I'm basically gonna tomorrow will be my first. I'm gonna use the GoPro. The footage might be a little sketchy because the mount, still not sure about how I'm gonna go with that. But and that one is gonna be at the Flying Dutchman motocross park. And it's a Harescramble race for District 6. I don't know. I don't know what round it is because of the COVID. It's been getting a little wacky like that. I've been doing pretty decent. I have finished every race so far. I went to that NYOA, and they have really nice events also. I really enjoyed that too. And I did pretty well in that race also. So, I'm happy. I'm happy about it. I'm having a good experience with it, and just figured I was just going to share it. And hopefully some of you guys may get off your asses and get out there. It's also a great thing, I think, to do with your kids. I mean, I personally don't have kids, but there's a lot of families there. It's a good thing to get together with with your family, with your kids, spend the day away from the phones and the computers and all, what I'm saying, like all that kind of stuff. So that's it. I mean, basically, I'll talk a little bit about the quad. It's pretty much everything is stock. I mean, everything is stock. Everything but protected. It's a DRW full. I have the full skid plate on there. They were very nice people. I called that guy up, and he was a really cool guy, and he helped me out. Like, we were talking about different stuff, and he was very helpful. The case saver, the Cuervo Racing AIS sensor. I have a Motorwitz. I'm probably saying the word wrong. Sorry, Jim. would be the steering stabilizer, and I feel like that steering stabilizer works great, you know. Also, I mean, basically just beadlock rims and tires. It has the precision vibe clamp on it with the ATV mid bars, hand guards, Cycra center mount hand guards, but pretty much straightforward. I have the Hauser A-arms, the XC A-arms, but I'm waiting on the suspension. So hopefully that will show up so that I could, you know, give that a try. Its suspension really seems to be, you know, a really big factor, and I've been trying to make some adjustments and, you know, basically just try to get it set up in a way that it works for me. But it's getting a little closer, and the better I have it set up, the, you know, my times are getting a little bit better. And yeah, I mean, the stock, I think for the woods, I mean, this is a fast quad, man. Like in the woods, like you're in tight woods, like, I mean, how fast you really gonna go? Like if you think about it, you know, like, I mean, really, I'd rather have the consistency and, you know, like the reliability, to be able to finish the race and all that. Not that I'm not against exhaust pipes. I get it. Like a lot of people put the air filters and that, there's nothing wrong with that. But at this point, the only thing that's really slowing me down is myself. You know, it's not like I'm fucking wide open on the thing and I'm not winning. You get what I'm saying? Like it's, yeah, I mean, it's going to help, but it's not, you know, unless I'm physically in better shape, this thing could go 200 miles an hour. It's not going to make me win because I'm not physically going to be able to, you know, endure an hour and a half of that, you know. So, but yeah, I mean, I guess that's about it. Like the next video, I'll pick up at the track. And hopefully get some decent footage, and you know, and I guess that's about it. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and you know, and all of that. All right, so have a good one, and thank you for watching. If you have any ideas or any questions about anything, feel free to just put it in the comment section, and that's it. Have a good one.